In this video, I'll show you how to convert your Base44 website into an editable design in Figma. The process is very simple. Just make sure you watch until the very end. Also, if you haven't signed up for Base44 yet, you can sign up through the link in the description to get 25 credits absolutely free. Once you create your website on Base44, you need to ensure your web app or website has been deployed, published, and accessible through a URL. To do this, click the Publish button at the top. This will show the domain or URL through which your website is accessible. Before publishing, you need to remove the login access requirement. Click the pencil icon next to the Public Access option. Under App Visibility, make sure it's set to Public. Below that, you'll see a checkbox marked by default that says Require Login to Access. If you keep this enabled, visitors will be redirected to a sign-up page when they visit the URL, which we don't want. We want the website to be directly accessible. To fix this, simply uncheck the box. Once done, click Publish, then Publish App, and wait while Base44 publishes your web app. As you can see, our web app has been published and is accessible through a URL with no login page this time. Now, to convert this website into an editable Figma design file, copy the URL, then open Figma. Create a new design file. Once inside, click the Auction button at the bottom. Go to Plugins and Widgets and search for a plugin called html.to.design. It should appear at the top. Click on it, then click Run at the bottom. Once the plugin opens, paste the URL you copied from Base44 into the field that says Import by URL. You'll see a few options at the bottom which you can ignore for now. Click Import and wait while the plugin imports your design. A pop-up will appear showing several options. As you can see, it has detected some missing fonts and is downloading them. You can click to install those fonts. There are additional options such as Use Auto Layout and Create Local Systems and Variables. You can enable or disable these according to your preferences. I'll leave them as default for now. After making any desired changes, click Add to Canvas and wait for the process to complete. Then close the plugin. As you can see, our website design has been easily imported from Base44 to Figma. The best part is that this design is completely editable. Every element can be modified according to your preferences. For example, if I want to change this text, I simply select it and type whatever I want. On the left side under Layers, you can see all the layers have been separated and organized properly, allowing you to make changes to any individual element. That's how you import your Base44 website design and convert it into a completely editable file inside Figma. If you want to watch a video on how to get free credits inside Base44, simply click on the video appearing on your screen.